Claude recently released a new model, Claude Sonnet 4, and after that they added some of the new capabilities. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways using Claude free tier how can you create PowerPoint presentations, and that too absolutely for free. Let me show you what am I talking about. Currently I'm in Google homepage, and if I just go to Claude site, that is claude.ai, then you will be able to see this kind of an interface. If you are new to Claude, then you can use your Google credentials to log in. I already have an ID, and using that I logged into this console. Now here, what I'll do, I'll just type one simple prompt that I copied earlier, and this is the prompt I use every time to test any of the LLM models to generate PowerPoint presentations. This time also I will use the same prompt. Claude Sonnet 4 is selected here. You can see I'm on the free plan and currently it's asking me to upgrade. What I'll do, I'll just click on this button and let's see what it comes back with. It started generating the content, and let's see once it will complete, because I asked for the PowerPoint presentation directly. Let's see what it comes back with. Now it's showing, now I'll create the PowerPoint presentation for you. However, I should mention that I cannot generate actual PPTX file, but it can generate a HTML file for us. So it cannot generate PowerPoint directly, which ChatGPT can. But I will show you another way using which you will be able to get your desired result. So that's our next step. But first, let me show you this particular method using HTML. How can you generate your presentation? Then I'll show you another method. Now it's generating those HTML codes, and using that the presentation will be ready. Normally it takes a couple of minutes. Let's see this time how much time it takes. Okay, our presentation is now ready. If I now just drag this particular window here, you will be able to see this is the full screen. If I click on next, this is the next screen. You can see it added additional animations also, and it looks really good. Normally, if we use ChatGPT, it generates PowerPoint presentations directly, and I have a couple of videos on this channel only, but that doesn't create this kind of animations. Let's see what are the other things it generated. You can see it followed a single theme, and then it generated multiple different contents, and it added required animations. Now you can do one thing here. You can come to this particular arrow, and there you can download as HTML. Once it will be downloaded, then you will be able to just double click and you will be able to open that so that your web page will open. So I opened that downloaded file in this new tab, and there you can see this is the presentation. So in case you have liberty to use an HTML file for your presentation, you can use this particular method, and it can generate this kind of an presentation very quickly. Now this is the first method. Before I show you the next method, I have a small announcement. My ChatGPT course is now available on Skillshare. I added one link in the description below. If you are interested, you can check that link and you will be able to enjoy their trial period, and there you will be able to evaluate the platform. You will be able to check my courses. Couple of courses are there as of date, and if you are not happy with the platform, you will also have a time period to cancel that particular subscription, and that you can do any point of time during that trial period. Now let me show you another method using which how can you generate PowerPoint presentations using Claude only. What I'll do, I'll come back here, and then I'll close this particular canvas, and then our normal prompt window will be here. This time I'm asking Claude to give me VBA code to generate a detailed PowerPoint presentation on time management. Now I'll use the same Sonnet 4, which is available for free, and I'll click on this button. Now it will generate the VBA code for us, but you don't need to know a single line of VBA code. We'll just copy this code from here and we'll paste it in PowerPoint so that it can generate a presentation for us very quickly. Let me show you that method. It will be very easy. In case you get any error in between, that I will also show you how can you troubleshoot that. So let it generate the code first, and after that we are going to use that code. Now while I'm showing you this method using Claude, considering Claude Sonnet 4 is now newly available, you can use this particular method in any LLM tool, be it paid one, free one. There you can ask it to generate VBA code for you, and using that particular code, you will be able to generate your PowerPoint presentations very quickly. Now you can see our code has been generated. What we'll do, we'll just simply copy from here. We'll just click on copy, so our code is copied. Now let me open PowerPoint. So I opened PowerPoint now, and this is a blank presentation. I'll just press Alt F11. Now this is the VBA console opened for you. What you need to do? You just need to right click here, click on insert, add a new module, and there you just need to paste that code. That's it. Once this is done, you need to click on this play button. Now after we'll click on this play button, two things can happen. Either it will generate the presentation for you directly, or it will throw an error which we need to troubleshoot. Let's see what happens this time. If I click on here, you can see I'm getting this prompt, time management presentation created successfully. I'll click on OK. If I just minimize this window, you'll be able to see it created this presentation where all these details are there. But this particular presentation is not very flashy. It created properly, all those contents are there, but it generated a simple presentation. What you need to do, you need to go to design. There you will be able to see multiple different designs are already available. Now if I select any of the theme, maybe this one, and I click on that, then design of my entire presentation will get changed. Now this way you will be able to change the theme of entire presentation from the design tab. But once your specific slide is selected, in the right pane you can see in the designer it's showing multiple different other designs. If I click on it, it will change design of this specific slide where other slides will be still intact. Now this is the way you can come to any of the slide, designer will get invoked and you can choose any of the design from here and you can change each of the slide. Now this is giving you an extended control. Overall slide, you can come to design and you can change the overall design of it. But if you want to change design of any specific slide, this is the way you can do it. You can scroll down and you will be able to see multiple different designs are there. If you are not happy with these existing designs, you can click on see more design ideas and it will show you few more options there. Now, if you are not able to see this designer right pane, you can invoke it from two different ways. First is from the home tab, you will be able to find it in the extreme right corner. This is the designer. If you click on it, it will get invoked. Same option is there inside design tab also, and here is the same location. You will be able to invoke designer pane. So this is the way you will be able to generate content using Claude. You will be able to generate VBA code using Claude, and you will be able to get your PowerPoint presentations ready. So hopefully you will be able to use this method and it will be helpful. Earlier I published another video using one of the very prominent tool, how can you generate PowerPoint presentation. If you want to know more about it, check out this video where I covered it end to end.